Hey beautiful dreamers, it's Elke here, and today we are going to be doing kind of a, I guess, get ready with me, but not exactly because I'm not really going anywhere. So it's kind of just showing you guys, it's like a tutorial, but it's more chatty, I guess. I don't know what to call this, but anyway, I wanted to I guess show you guys this copper, really intense copper eye look that I kind of sketched out on paper like yesterday and tried out on one of my friends in class, but I wanted to put it on my own eyes because I love, absolutely love copper. So yeah, as you can probably see, I have my hair up in a little tiny bun, and don't mind that. I know I need to get my hair cut. Like these parts are just getting way too long. But anyway, I'm starting off with my brows already done, and I have concealer on my eyes, and I've spot concealed a little bit, especially on my chin because I have two angry red marks there. But yeah, let's just get on into this. So the palette I'm going to be using is the ABH Cosmetics Zodiac palette, and I will give you a glimpse of what is inside, or a glimpse. I'll show you guys what's inside. It looks like so. It's a very interesting palette. It's got like a highlighter in the center and the matte shades middle row, and then the Zodiac shades like all along the outside. We're gonna be using the Scorpio shade right here on the lid, obviously because it's a really intense copper. And yeah, but to start out with the crease, we're gonna be using this matte shade underneath the Aquarius shade, and we're gonna be running that through our crease, you know, just as a transition color. And I'm using a Real Techniques crease brush, and I'm going to try and hold the mirror lower because usually I just cover my face with the mirror. I'm just like, hi, you can't see anything. So we'll try that out. And yes, this does have a mirror, which is very nice. So just, you know, blending that through the crease just to start out with the color. So much going on in my dorm today. So many people. Like earlier this morning, there were like workmen out fixing up some of the rooms, so there was like a lot of hammering, which makes sense because I think there's more people probably going to, you know, move in, because I guess technically it's already over, but like my school is very weird as in that it starts a new like year term every month. But I don't know what the other school, like our sister school is, which is a musician school, or a school for musicians, I guess. I don't know what their term's like because obviously I'm not a musician. I'm trying to be a makeup artist. The next color I'm going to be going in with is this orange shade, and this is under Sagittarius, and this is kind of just an orange shade, like a really burnt orange shade. And again, just putting that through the crease because that's what we do here. We put things through the crease. I'm really excited that it's fall now because I love, you know, orange and warm tones. So it's like yay, now it's like finally the season to wear them, and it's really awesome, and I'm excited. I'm also excited to see what fall/winter is like in Southern California, because back home we do get snow and we do get really cold winters, so it'll be interesting to see what it's like. Also excited for Halloween coming up. I'm going to be Black Widow, or Natasha Romanoff, aka my wife, Scarlett Johansson, because I absolutely love her, and like, why not? She's actually, when I first got my pixie cut, who I styled it after, and I've had my pixie cut for 2 years. 2 years, can you believe it? Like, oh my god. It's been 2 years already. Feels like it hasn't, you know, gone by so quickly. I mean, it just feels like it's gone by so quickly. I gotta lift this up just to check my blending in the light. The day that I'm filming this is Jimin's birthday in Korea time. Not quite here in the US, but happy birthday. We love you, and just feel better soon, please, because I mean, like, we want you to feel better. If you don't know who Jimin is, he's a member of BTS, my favorite K-pop group. So, anyway, thought I would mention that. So happy birthday to him, feel better, get as much rest as you can. I know that you're really on a really busy schedule, but just feel better, okay? Love you. Anyway, last shade for the crease we're gonna go in with is this darker kind of chocolatey, almost brown, orangish here, and this is underneath the Scorpio shade, and we're just going to kind of focus this more on the outer edge of my eye, just to, you know, darken it up. Not so much, we don't want to bring it too far into the crease, especially since I don't have like, I have very deep eyelids. I have like deep hooded eyes, deep set hooded eyes, and I don't really like to darken my eyes up too much. Like, see, that's what my eyes look like when they're fully open, and then I'm just kind of blending it through. All right. Oh, look insane. That's fine. I've gotten to the part of the video where my foot has started to fall asleep, so that's great. All right. And now for the lid shade, which, as I said, is going to be Scorpio right here. And this is a beautiful shimmery metallic shade. Alright, so the eye look is pretty much done. I'm going to go off camera now, and I'm going to put on foundation, highlighter, all the rest of my face stuff, and we will be back to do the lower lash line and then the lips. See you then. And we're back. So for the lower lash line, I'm going to start off with the shade Under Sagittarius again, and I'm just going to run that literally my entire lower lash line. I don't know why I explain this to you guys. It's literally the same thing every time. And then I'm going to be using this shade right here, the Scorpio shade, and just going to focus that on the outer edge of my eye, or outer edge of the lower lash line, to darken that. And then for lips, I'm going to be going in with Queen's Blood, which is the metallic lipstick from Wet n Wild that I did a video on, and this is from the Fire and Ice Dragon collection. So I think it's like a perfect color. It's like a metallic kind of coppery color. And here we go. This is the final look, and this is what I meant when I said my hair was rather uncontrollable today, but I kind of like it. I wish my hair was more naturally curly. I just have like straight flat hair. But anyway, here is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoy this. I like how it turned out. Hopefully you guys did as well. Yeah. If you guys like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit that little bell icon for my post notifications. My social medias, as well as all the products on my face, will be listed down in the description box below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Stay beautiful. Bye!